Are you missing important messages because Telegram notifications aren't showing new notifications on lock screen or not working properly? In this video, I'll show you several simple solutions to get your Telegram notifications back on track on Android devices. So let's start. Before you do anything, open Telegram apps, select the person that you are not receiving notifications from, tap and hold the conversation, tap sounds icon from the top, make sure this person is not muted. If muted, then unmute them. If problem persists, then try the following processes on your phone. Solution 1. Tuning in-app notification settings. Open Telegram, tap on the horizontal 3-line button on the top left corner. Tap Settings. Go to Notifications and Sounds. Toggle on all the settings under Notifications for Chats section. Scroll down to the bottom. Turn on Keep Alive service, and then turn on background connection. Change the repeat notification options 10 minutes. Solution 2. Check the default notification settings. Swipe down from the top to open Control Center on your Android device. Make sure your phone is not on a silent mode. Turn on sound mode. Turn off the Do Not Disturb mode if it is enabled. Turn off the power saving mode. After this, now go to Settings, open Notification menu, tap on App Notification, find out Telegram, scroll down a bit, tap on Lock Screen Notifications, select Show Content. Solution 3. Clearing App Cache. Open Telegram, tap on the horizontal 3-dot, tap Settings, press on Data and Storage menu. Go to Storage Usage, tap on Clear Cache. After that, scroll down a bit, change Auto Remove Cached Media settings to 1 day. Solution 4. Check out the internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Check if there are any updates available on the Play Store for the Telegram app. After updated, restart the device. That's all for today. I hope one of these solutions helps you fix your Telegram notification issues. If this video was useful, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos.